Hello, I'm Curtis Hamilton. I am a teacher at Shawnee Heights High School in Tecumseh, Kansas, where I teach social studies classes, AP Government, World Geography, and U.S. History. When it comes to communication, I feel that is an important to actively communicate with parents, students, and other stakeholders and have multiple ways of communicating to different people. I feel things like email and having an updated website and things like that is extremely important. But also reflecting and finding ways that how your stakeholders are actually getting their information. And I've found over time that communication with parents, students, and others is important in order to create a basically type of an agreement that they know that you are involved in the process to help their student, and also you want them involved as well in the process to helping their student meet their goals. And I've found in many different ways that you have to actively reflect on what is the appropriate communication for each individual. Some like emails, some turn to social media and things like that. And I feel like as far as my communication goes, that is something I could improve on. Right now, my platforms include a website, it includes emails, includes phone calls, things like that. But other parents or stakeholders may prefer to see a social media. Students may prefer a everyday kind of an update, things like that. And over my years of teaching, I've kind of realized that it's kind of changed. It used to be if I could send a weekly email or every other day, that was good enough. But as the world has become more active and more communication on a daily basis, I've seen more parents and more students or more stakeholders want information instantaneously when something happens. I've seen this in school as well when it comes to things like lockdowns, things like that. Parents seem to want to know why as soon as it happens, and sometimes we can't divulge that information, and then they come back and they get very upset that we couldn't tell them right away. That they should know right away, and that's always something to consider when we're talking about communication. Again, some of my things I feel like I can improve on is I could take my communication to different platforms. I could probably do it a little bit more often. I try to, when necessary, send as much communication as possible. But again, the overall goal is to try to create communication that creates this partnership between the parents, the students, the other stakeholders, and the school, that everybody knows that they are involved in the educational process and that everybody's on the same page on where they want to be, where they want to go for each of the students. So that is my thoughts. I look forward to seeing others, and thank you.